Tint Masters, and this is Pete Espinosa, our service tech here, and we're going to be showing you a little bit about what we did with this King Branch F250. So one of the first things that we did all the way around, we did the ceramic film. Front two windows is 20%, back windows is 5%. We did the 5% eyebrow ceramic, and we did the windshield up here in front. It's clear, but let me show you around to see what it looks like. So on the 20%, it's not that dark. It's in the middle shade, but you can still see a little bit through, just to give you some protection. And the way that we did it in here, so we put it on the computer. We computer cut it all the way around. As the cleaning process was in here, I make sure to get everything into these gaskets to get any little dust particles out. The very top right here, we used a micro edge shaving method to make sure that the film is really flush with that edge of the glass and there's no gaps. It's the most professional way that you can tint a vehicle. And then on this back windows right here, it's 5% limo tint, and as you can see, or probably can't see, super dark.
Service member Pete Espinosa putting on the back window. This is ceramic. Paid real money for this. Smooth like a baby's butt. Look at that.
Still got the
piece back window right here. Again, the risk with having a glass like this, which a lot of the new trucks is coming out with, is scratching it. So that's the other advantage of using a computer cut system, is that there's no risk to that. We completely eliminate that from being a possibility. And as you can see right there, our service tech cleaning it. Super clean. Super happy with that work. It's ultra clean, very precise. This side over here, pretty much the same thing. Same thing as was done on the other side. Now, this is the windshield right here, and you probably can't tell, but it does have tint on it. It's a ceramic film. It's just made to filter out the heat. That's it. It's not made to have any color, so it stays legal. Nobody's going to mess with you for it. So this is a 70% ceramic on the windshield. This is what it looks like when I'm inside. So this is ceramic all the way around we did on this truck. And if you want to get something like this done on your vehicle, please visit our website at texastintmasters.com. Give us a call at 281-900-4484. Visit us at our YouTube channel, Facebook, and Instagram account at Texas Tint Masters for all three of those, and you'll find us very easy. So thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.